My name is Danielle. Today we're going to talk about mouse foraging behavior. I was able to record a mouse foraging for food on the patio. You can see him sniffing around as he looks for a good food source. The mouse returned to the same foraging area over a course of several nights. You can see him sniffing for olfactory cues as he looks for food. Olfactory cues are essentially just smells. He's sniffing around to get information about his environment. These cues may come from a variety of different sources that could include other animals such as predators or conspecifics, which basically just means other mice. It could be food or poison or other things that even humans can't smell but may leave cues that mice can pick up on. Throughout the video, you can see the mouse sniffing as he forages for food. He also goes to areas the food is not located in and picks up olfactory cues about his environment. A hypothesis for why he's sniffing is that he could be looking for the same foraging area or trying to avoid predators. In 2006, a study was done with mice foraging in areas that had other mouse smells. Mice continued to forage even though this could increase the predator risk because the food source seemed to outweigh the risk. A developmental hypothesis is that mice are born with innate cues and learn more cues that are relevant to their life as they age. In 2012, studies showed that newborn mice had olfactory cues to recognize their mother and begin suckling. This shows that the use of olfactory cues for foraging begins at birth and changes as their food sources change. Although baby mice are not out foraging for food like adult mice, they are foraging in a way as they look for their mother to nurse. An evolutionary hypothesis is that other species of mammals also use olfactory cues while foraging. A study in 2018 with African elephants showed that elephants used plant odors and olfactory cues from the plants to make foraging decisions quicker and find food in their preferred patches. Not only did the elephants use olfactory cues to find familiar patches, they also used them to seek out different plants that they preferred to eat. This shows that mammals that are higher in the food chain, such as elephants, also use olfactory cues while foraging. This shows that it's not limited just to small animals like rodents. A functional hypothesis is that mice that have a more developed olfactory detection system will be able to forage more efficiently and quicker than mice that don't. In 2007, researchers removed different parts of mouse olfactory bulbs to see the effect. They saw that the innate and learned cues seemed to be located in different areas. They also saw that if the area that controlled the learned cues was removed, the mouse had a slower reaction time to olfactory cues. That means if a mouse continues to forage and learn new cues, they should be able to forage quicker and more efficiently. Mice use both a solitary form of seek and subdue and scavenging as they forage for food. Although the mouse is not eating dead materials, it is eating trash or food that has been left out by humans, which would be a form of scavenging. The mouse is foraging by itself, which could be a solitary form of seek and subdue. In the past, the mouse has eaten plants on the patio, which would show that it is doing seek and subdue and looking for plants as food as well. From the videos, we can see that olfactory cues are an important part of mouse foraging behaviors. Thanks for watching.